Welcome to the Newaygo County Career Tech Center, where hands-on real-life experiences give students the opportunity to explore and develop the job-specific skills they need to thrive in a career they love, like manufacturing engineering. If you think about it, pretty much every product out there has to be manufactured, which means this industry offers ample opportunity in a variety of different areas. In fact, manufacturers today are in dire need of filling the skilled labor gap, as older generations retire and a modern-day workforce armed with knowledge and advanced technology becomes more and more in demand. Are you into solving problems, working with your hands, computers, and high-tech equipment? Well, Career Tech's Manufacturing Engineering course would be a perfect fit for you. Just picture yourself in a state-of-the-art lab with all the latest tools and technology, creating your own design, then building it in a real-life machine shop. That's what actually happens in this course. We gain highly sought-after machining skills working with lathes, milling machines, surface grinders, drill presses, and even industrial robots. Plus, we get hands-on experience with all the computer-based manufacturing technology, from computer numeric controlled or CNC machines to computer-aided machining and computer-aided design. Using technical drawings and interpreting blueprints, we fabricate parts out of metal and create prototypes for real-world applications. Then we learn how to program machines to crank them out in high volumes. It's super cool, and it's good for direct college credit too. We can even participate in the Michigan Industrial Technology Education Society competition if we want. Are you ready to be the skilled employee everyone wants to hire? You will be after this course. For more information about this or any of our other trade programs, talk to your high school counselor or contact the Newaygo County Career Tech Center. Be sure to ask if you qualify for a Promise Zone scholarship. Enroll today to prepare yourself for a marketable future.